Hi guys, I was gifted this multi-test set from the seller so I could show you all these cool features. Now I'm going to show you about 4 features in this film, and I'll have other ones that have the different features. So the first one I want to show you is the digital multimeter. So this is really nice to have in a test set like this. So it does have the auto feature, so automatically it's going to detect whether it's like a short or voltage or whatever. So to get to it, you just scroll through the menu, and this thing is like a touch screen where you just kind of like swipe through all the different menus here to get to it. It's on the last page, and it's called DMM for digital multimeter. So we'll just go ahead and click that. And then it beeps once and it's set to auto. So let's go ahead and just give it a short and see what happens. And we get that audio confirmation. There's a short, and on the screen it'll tell you that it's a 0 ohm short. So that works for resistance. All right, so if we want to test voltage, so we're just going to put it back on that main screen, and we're going to hook up our, so these actually come with this test set. So that's pretty nice. And we'll just connect it up onto this 9-volt battery, and boom, we're at 9 volts. So as you guys can see, it's set to 9 volts. So that's really nice having this in this test set, because it does so many other things. It does the BNC stuff. It's got your RJ45, ping test. Like, this thing literally has everything. So let's get out of here and let me show you. It does have a TDR3, and that's for BNC. So if you click on that, so this TDR 3.0 is to test BNC cables. Its measurement, the range is up to 3,937 feet. All right, so I don't have any BNC cables to use to show you how to test that, but it's real simple. Right here at the top, there's your BNC connection. It does have some also other BNC adapters here. So you would plug this on the very top, and let's see. All right, I wanted to show you how this BNC TDR worked. So it's not just for BNC cables. You can use it for like a telephone line or whatever. I just ended up cutting this RJ45, Cat 5 cable, and clipped onto a pair. And I clicked the start button, and you can tell it's measuring 33 meters. So this TDR function is great for testing multiple things. So you can test your BNC cable, you can test your telephone cable, your RJ45. It literally has so many different options. So it also has these here where you can click it on the BNC cable that way, and then plug this into the RJ45 side of it. It does have a level meter for detecting coaxial camera video signals, such as peak level, sync level, and burst level. I don't have a BNC cable, so I can't just demonstrate that today for you. And so some of the other things that it does have is it does have IP discovery, IP scanning, ping testing, LLDP, CDP detection. It does have port flashing, PoE, dial-up. So let's go through some of those. So click on IP discovery, and this is gonna detect the IP addresses within your network. It also has IP scanning, so you just click on that. So that's IP scanning. It also has a ping test. So if you want to ping out, so you're obviously going to hook this to your network and see if you can ping out to the internet. It does do port flashing. So then you hook it up to your switch, like a cable going that's hooked to a switch, and then it'll flash that port so you know what the cable is. And it does do LLDP, CDP detection, and that is right here. It does PPOE dial-up. I don't have anything to demonstrate that with, but if you guys are in the market for a multi-test set like this, it's got a ton of features, more than I've ever seen in any test set. I like that digital multimeter built right into it. So now I don't have to have, you know, a digital multimeter in my car anymore. I can just have this one thing that'll do everything. So if you guys are in the market for a meter like this, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.